There's a new leader in the sweepstakes for the zaniest name change in the crypto craze. Long Island Iced Tea Corporation shares rose as much as 289% after the unprofitable Hicksville, New York-based company rebranded itself Long Blockchain Corporation. It's the latest in a near-daily phenomenon sweeping the stock market, where obscure microcap companies reorient to focus on some aspect of the mania sparked by Bitcoin's 1,500% rally this year. Long Blockchain, whose business has been selling non-alcoholic beverages, says it will now seek to partner with or invest in companies that develop a decentralized ledgers known as blockchain, the technology that underpins Bitcoin. The renamed firm joins the ranks of recently christened crypto companies, a list that includes former makers of juice, sports bras and sofas, whose share prices have all rocketed after their respective announcements. Some are likening the mania to the dot-com boom and ultimate bust 2 decades ago. It's so reminiscent of what happened in the late 1990s, Scott Nations, author of A History of the United States in 5 Crashes, said by phone. A company that had nothing to do with the internet would put out a press release that they were going to become an internet company now, and the same sort of thing would happen. The shares surged to as high as $9.49 before closing at $6.91 in New York trading, compared with $2.44 Wednesday. More 15 million shares changed hands, compared with average daily volume of about 170,000 shares over the prior 3 months. Long Blockchain shares may be benefiting from the announcement, but so far the company has little to show for its aspirations. It has no agreements with any blockchain firms, and says there is no assurance that a definitive agreement with these, or any other entity, will be entered into or ultimately consummated. A request for comment from Chief Executive Officer Philip Thomas wasn't immediately returned. Eric J. Watson is the largest shareholder of Long Island Iced Tea Corporation with more than 13% of outstanding shares, according to U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filings. Watson, a resident of the UK, is the founder and executive chairman of Cullen Investments, which the firm says on its website has holdings in fashion retail, financial services, agriculture, real estate and sports and entertainment in the US, Britain, New Zealand, and Australia. In conjunction with the change in focus, the company cancelled a planned share sale. Long Island Iced Tea, the product of a 2015 merger with Cullen Agricultural Holding Corporation, has been funding operations through a combination of equity and debt sales. It is a market value of about $67 million and after the surge in the stock price. Long Island Iced Tea had a net loss of $3.9 million on sales of $1.6 million in the 3 months ended September 30th. The company has lost $11.6 million on sales of $3.9 million in the first 9 months of the year. The company has reserved the web domain name www.longblockchain.com and will still operate a ready-to-drink beverage subsidiary. These sorts of companies that go up the course of 5 or 10 times in one day just because they say that they're a blockchain company now, Nations said. To me, that just confirms that we're in a bubble.